Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and welcome to a first impression unboxing video on my channel. Today we are delving into the designer brand of Paco Rabanne. No, it's not 1 million this time. It is Invictus, the Invictus line. This one right here is going to be unboxed today. It is Invictus Legend. A thing of legends. Well, it is discontinued, so kind of makes sense. Not legendary, honestly. I don't think it has a cult following. And when I say that about certain fragrances, it just means it has this, like, a small portion of people that absolutely say this is the best of the line, this is great, this is awesome. But there was no real huge hype on the actual fragrance. And now all those people are very sad. They got 10 backup bottles of this stuff because it's discontinued. If you know me, I'm not a fan of the little trophy line. I don't own the original. This is my collection. I don't even call it a collection. This is Invictus Intense. I bought this at a exact same thing as this, Shoppers Drug Mart, $19.99. I was like, why not? I have a YouTube channel. I got some money to blow. I'm a collector. Why not? Let's see what this is all about. Maybe I'll turn my thought process on the line. This didn't do it for me. We'll see if this one does. It is not a collection yet. You need at least 3 bottles. That's my rule of thumb. So it's not a collection line yet. Yeah, so Invictus is, the line makes me think of, it's the participation ribbon or participation trophy when you first start your journey. It's like, welcome to the club. Here's your participation. You're not there yet, kid, but keep trying. All jokes aside, look, I started my journey with the tacky bottle as well, Le Male, you know, the whole torso thing. Much better scent profile in my personal opinion. Way more legendary than anything here in my opinion. I'm not trying to bash anybody that loves this stuff, but I can't with the Invictus line. I just can't. And a lot of my subscribers are gonna be like, you're reviewing what? You know me. This was $19.99, Shoppers Drug Mart. I bought it, like, look, it has a little Christmas thing. I didn't buy it just now. I actually bought it in late 2021 when this thing was discontinued in Canada, and they're basically, Shoppers was giving it out for $19.99. I bought it. Why not? Blindly. I don't know what it smells like. I don't really check this line. Like, they have like several flankers. Don't ask me. I have no idea. I smelled the eau de toilette, this obviously, and now this. So we're getting there. And yeah, so it's kind of one of those, you know, they kind of say like just a goofy purchase for me. I like to just try out new things. I have an open mind. Sweet little snowflake. So finally, this thing has been collecting dust in my fragrance room here, and that's the amount of things that I need to unbox. Like, I have like a storage area over here that has probably, and I don't want to scare you, but I probably have another 100 unboxings to do. I'm not kidding. I have a problem. So the nose is behind this. What, Domitil, Michelin Berthier, Nicolas Beaulieu. I don't know. I haven't really looked at the resume. 2019 release. So it's, you know, it showed up and then it left just as quick. So let's unbox this thing. And what I don't like about Invictus is that it's just sweetness jacked up with the really just a watery, synthetic bubblegummy sweetness with an aquatic tinge to it, like ambroxan. It's just terrible. It is a terrible, terrible release in my personal opinion. And it really just, and the bottle presentation doesn't help trying to sell this to me. This is for the kids out there. This is for, this one's definitely much bluer. Let's hope it's not a bluey fragrance, but we'll see. I got my test strip here. We're gonna test it out of this first and see what we get. Holy jeez, this one feels much cheaper than this bottle. Like, the plastic cap is almost falling, not the cap, but the top of this bottle. Hopefully the atomizer works. It does. So we'll put it on skin, but I want to smell it off the strip first and see if I gag. By the way, it's sweater season. I'm just kind of relaxing. It's Friday. Let's try on some designer fragrance. So off the strip, sweet fruitiness, candied. It had something interesting in it. So let's put it on skin. I know, but let's try Invictus. Legend. We gotta try it. We'll put it here. Okay, so smells like Macy's, smells like department store stuff. It is that generic grapefruit opening. I think Invictus has a grapefruit opening. It's sweet, it's synthetic, it's fruity, fresh and away. Like these yeah, these sweet freshies just don't hit it for me. They just don't. It's okay. It actually kind of smells like something Ralph Lauren would do, like their Polo Red line. It's kind of in that realm. Very synthetic. It doesn't have that salty Invictus kind of. It's so hard. It's so. I've been doing a lot of like really high-end stuff lately, and this kind of just dampened the mood. You can't even discern what's in here. Yeah, it's just. Yeah, synthetic, fruity, you know, that grapefruit's not great. Yeah, it just smells like your typical, I don't know, the people that make this seem like, oh, I better get 10 bottles of this. Why? Just go to the Macy's counter. You'll probably find something from Herrera, Bad Boy line. You'll find something from somewhere else that will do exactly this. That bay leaf, you know what, that bay leaf is actually not bad, and I think it's in the original as well. But yeah, the sweet fruitiness is like hard to discern even what it is. There's an ambery glow sweetness. Actually it smells like, it smells purple off this. It smells like Kool-Aid, purple Kool-Aid on here. Not on my skin. It has that, wow, yeah, okay, so that's gone. Purple Kool-Aid, it's actually a little more, not that it's more interesting, it's very synthetic. It smells like something like a Captain Crunch purple grape thing. Kool-Aid purple, the grape one. I think it's purple, not grape. You know, the purple drink, not the grape drink with 100% grapes. Yeah, it's sweet, it's fresh in a way. It has that Ambroxan aquatic thingy going on, but it's not really that aquatic. Like, Ambrox never made me think of blue. It just made me think of like clean soapiness, and that's where this is kind of going. Has a little bit of metallic tinge, a little bit of, it's not that big. Yeah. So at the end of the day, pretty easy unboxing first impression video. You basically smell like everything else that's been out there. It doesn't, you could blind me and I wouldn't know which brand, let alone which line this is. I'll be honest. I mean, really, and that's where some of these brands are going with a lot of their flankers, is just kind of piggybacking on what's popular and they have no face to their lines. Yeah, it was really popping off. I wish I didn't go thoop. I mean, it really was popping, like, not that it was popping in a good way. It was just kind of giving me at least something fruity. Yeah, off the strip. Less here. My skin is eating that up and kind of giving me like this, the backbone of it, if that makes sense, like this synthetic, aquatic, sweet, little metallic, ambroxy thing, bubblegummy sweetness. So at the end of the day, I wasted $19.99. I just wasted $19.99. But at the end of the day, I am a collector. I have my Paco Rabanne line right here, very 1 million based. I do have some of the older Paco Rabannes beside that, which are great. But this line, I'm just not feeling it. There's nothing that's grabbing onto me and going, please make me stand out. No. It smells like everything that's been out there, nothing crazy, discontinued for a very good reason. They can make this, they probably have like a big jug of this with somebody with a wooden spoon going, all right, Herrera, it's your time. Here you go. Here's some juice. Paco Rabanne, here you go. Jean-Paul Gaultier, here you go. It's the exact same juice. You just put it in a bottle and you're happy. Yeah, nothing redeeming here. Just that sweetness bomb. And it's actually, on my skin, it's not as sweet than it was on the strip that's on the floor now. Poor strip. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Oh, the cult following of this, please don't watch this video. You're gonna hate me. I know there's gonna be one guy in the comments, I'll buy your bottle off you. I've never sold anything, even if it's bad. So save your breath. Yeah, nothing to see here. So as always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your little trophy wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.